You don't know what you're gonna say?
No.
Are you nervous?
Yeah. Really nervous. Alright.
What are you thinking about?
I just don't know what... I'm nervous about people's reaction. I don't really know what they're gonna say. I've never done anything like this before. I'm just nervous. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm scared.
You think they're not gonna be happy with it?
I don't know. Fuck. This is gonna have to be like a 4-part series.
Not being dramatic or anything.
I'm not. I really do think, like, there's no way it can do this unless.
It has to be. Right?
They have to know. I mean, whatever. I guess I can just try. That's all I can do.
You think it's gonna work?
I don't know. Do you think they're gonna be upset?
Yeah.
Alright. I gotta get. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Do you think I should? I'm just gonna do it. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a makeup. Alright. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a smoky eye.
Do you think they've seen that before?
I don't know.
Maybe a cut crease.
Oh my god. Okay. I don't know if I should do this. If I should do a cut crease or just a regular smoky eye. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you see this? Oh. I'm done. Stop filming. Stop filming.
What are you?
Come with me. This is so stupid. I've got this.
Maybe try the classic. Hey guys, RawBeautyKristi here.
Okay, I'll try it.
Okay.
Hey guys, Robbie.
You need a Diet Coke. That'll make you feel better.
Wig.
You think it's gonna work?
I don't know.
Right?
They have to know.
Sorry.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay,
I'm
thank
recording
God.
the whole
Could you
time.
imagine if it wasn't?
Can you imagine? What would our series be?
Alright, let's go. Hang on. I can't.
What are you thinking, Shane?
Could I be messier?
Sorry, but you were just splathering it on.